Hi, I'm Tamara with Wyoming Dutch Oven Cooking. Welcome to our channel. Of course, we're always doing something wonderful with our cast iron cookware, and we're doing something really special today. It is a beer braised buffalo brisket with root vegetables, and I am so proud to say that these are all from our garden. And our first step that we're going to be doing today is searing this buffalo brisket. And what I did last night is I put my favorite rub on here and then covered it with Saran wrap, did it on both sides and let it sit all night. You can put whatever rub you like. And of course over here our cast iron is getting hot. I put a couple tablespoons of oil in there. So we'll be doing that, and then I'll be showing you what we'll be doing afterwards. Okay, our buffalo brisket is browning over there. Boy, the grease was nice and hot. That's what you want because you want to sear it on both sides. Okay, our first ingredient is a dark beer. We're going to mix this all together in this bowl. I'm just going to go ahead and pour that in there. Maybe. Okay, there we go. Teaspoon of black pepper. You know, we're so fortunate here in Wyoming. We have a local rancher not too far from us that raises and sells buffalo. And so we're very close, not too far away from him, so we can get buffalo pretty much whenever we want to. And buffalo is a lean meat. Okay, a teaspoon of thyme I'm putting in here. It's a very lean meat, just like wild game. So the rule is to cook it low and slow, because there is no fat in it. It's very high in protein. There's a good teaspoon of garlic. We love garlic, so. And this is granulated garlic. And another fun ingredient that I'm going to be putting in here is a couple tablespoons of horseradish. And this is a hot horseradish. We always like anything that's got a bit of a kick to it. We hope you enjoyed this with us today. Just remember to subscribe and hit that like button. And when you do that, it tells you that every Tuesday we put out another wonderful, fun YouTube video. Okay, we mix that up together real well. And now I'm going to go over and check our roast and turn it. I'm sure it's time to turn it. Wow, isn't that beautiful? And this is a 4-pound buffalo roast. See how you want that nice and brown? Okay, what I'm doing now is I'm going to put my vegetables around here. And I'm leaving all of these whole, because like I told you with buffalo, we're going to cook it low and slow. Oh, I'll just dump the bag. Look at the size of those parsnips. Oh my goodness. I'm so proud of our garden. Of course, my wonderful husband helps me with all of this. Okay, now I'm going to pour that beer mixture on here. Okay, with my vegetables, of course, I've got parsnips and turnips and onions and new little potatoes and, of course, carrots. And, of course, like I told you, we're leaving it all whole because this is going to cook low and slow. And, of course, we're getting ready to have an afternoon thunderstorm, so we're going to have to hurry here. You can probably hear the lightning and the thunder, which there is lightning. Okay, now I'm going to put the lid on this, and we're going to cook this probably for a good 2 to 3 hours. Hi, we got done. It took a long time today. We had a lot of elements going on. Thunder, lightning, we had hail, rain, you name it. It took longer. But our dinner turned out incredibly awesome. I hope that you enjoyed this with us today. And remember, if you subscribe, hit that like button. Every Tuesday we have another wonderful fun video. Until we see you again, thank you.